So this is it. It was on my door. However, the space for it is still too large. My cats are able to get in, and the cats are who I'm trying to keep out. That's number one. Number two, this part is just locked stiff. Like, it's supposed to be flexible. It's supposed to be flexible to hook onto the door. It was, and then this morning, when I opened the door as normal to like stow it away, this part locked, and like I can't move it. I'm doing my best. Like, if I go any more, it's actually going to break. So no.
You could do it that way, so then it leaves a little gap, or you could get it to latch on the outside, and then kids can't pull it and they don't squash their finger. It's pretty amazing.